Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will be creating this pretty simple and easy card using all-purpose ink and some Fantastix. Later I'll be stamping this with a black ink as well to finish the card, but initially I thought of creating a no-line coloring, but then later I changed my mind. So I'm just dipping the Fantastix in the ink and a very tiny amount is needed. The coverage is beautiful and the application is also very smooth. So it's basically creating your own marker, and this ink is good for porous as well as non-porous surfaces. So here I've used a tan colored cardstock and I really wanted to try my hands on this medium. So this is very quick and I could basically layer the ink on top of each other, and that is how I got some deeper shadows using this color. So this is basically a broad tip marker which you've created on your own, and I'm using these two colors. Towards the end I'll be using a blue as well. So I painted the rows in sections, but then later realized that you really don't need to work it like that, and we will be coloring everything at one go. So once the first layer was dry, I went back and added some more color. So this was very easy, and the ink dries super quick. It is very opaque, fluid, and just the coverage is amazing. So now you can see that I decided to just go ahead and paint the entire flower in one go. Now I'm adding the second layer as the first one is dry. You don't get the perfect shadows and highlights, but this is also very beautiful and easy. So now I'll be moving to the next flower and the bud. See, I'm just painting it at one go, and once this layer will be dry, I'll be selectively adding the shadows here and there on the individual petals. So I could have stamped the image in black initially as well, but then I thought of making a no-line coloring card initially, but I did not like it at the end, so I used my Memento Tuxedo Black and I stamped it on top of this. So this is a very beautiful grungy looking card. I won't say it's a perfect watercolor effect, but whatever it is really beautiful. So now I'll be introducing another teal color for these little branches which are peeping out of the flower, and this finishes the card. So now I'll just speed it up and I'll dry it with a heat gun. I embossed a sentiment, and now I'm adding some white splatters using the all-purpose ink in white. This is absolutely gorgeous and super opaque. I added it using a tiny brush and a little water. So this basically finishes it, and I love the result. So these are the products I used for today's card, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.